Hello, here's a little unboxing of the Sigma dock for the Canon lens. You can get it in Sigma and Nikon mounts. And I just wanted to give you a little unboxing of what's in the box really. So let's just open the box up. So we get our warranty information. Basically you need to register that online and you should get the Sigma 3-year warranty. The Sigma dock instructions in various languages, and the Sigma European Limited warranty details. In the box we have our little dock, like so, and we get a USB cable. If you're wondering what type of USB cable it is, I believe it's very similar to a micro, but with a different connector. If I can try and show you that up close. It's quite small. Here we have the Sigma dock. That's obviously the typical look of it, but obviously you mount that on top of your camera, like so. You plug in your cable, like so. Going like that. Stick your lens on top, and that's all to it really. So that's your Sigma dock. My advice, if you do buy the sports 150 to 600 lens, please get it updated and modified before you start using it, because you will need to, because the focusing will be off a little bit. So remember to do that, and hopefully you shouldn't have any problems. And thank you for watching.